Yes, I was going to say to you, I'm not sure that what do you mean it's declining? I will pay you when I come in the evening. I beg, carry your POS good job. I'm the stranger here. No mind now. I mean, I'm not the stranger here.
I asked him to pay, do not want to pay.
What is it? You go and call security for me?
Yes, sir.
What did they happen?
We don't run a charge shop here, sir. When you eat anything, you pay for it. That's the only way we could be able to run this restaurant, sir. So you have to pay, sir.
I didn't say you are running charity. I said when I come in the evening, I know the stranger here, I will pay him.
When you come in the evening, can you hear yourself, sir? Sir, you need to pay, please, sir. You need to pay, please.
See, this one where you talk like this. When you are this, see. Wait, you want to go to the toilet?
Yeah, I won't go to the toilet.
See, this one where you talk like this. I say I go pay. Debbie, Nana. No, not the new. Come now. Debbie, na toilet you dey go. Comfort.
Yes, sir.
Comfort.
Are you paying now? Are you paying now?
Let me call him.
Or you want me to call the police?
Why will you call police? Because
You
I
need
eat
to pay.
amala.
Yes.
Why?
Because we don't run charity shop here.
I say I go pay am for evening. Not be here they eat.
What exactly do you want us to do?
So I think I should
Call the police.
Me to stop to come to your worker to dey clean this place. Do what? Say wetin happen because I eat amala. Will you leave my amala?
Listen.
Will you leave my amala?
No. I'm being serious now. Either I call the police on you, or you would go to the kitchen and wash the plates. We have so many dirty plates over there.
I should be watching plates because I eat how many? Wait now.
Stop that and wash your hand, please.
What is this one?
Wash your hand now, please.
So I don't say I know.
Please wash your hand, please. Respect yourself, sir. Please.
Say,
Please.
but I never eat all this one when you carry go.
Mr. Man, please get up.
Let my visitor go now.
You came to a restaurant without money.
What is this?
Please give him this stuff. That's your apron.
Waiting.
Put that on, sir.
Waiting now.
Let's follow me. Young man, follow me, sir. Come on, follow me.
I should use it from purpose.
Put it on. I'm taking you to the kitchen. Put it on, sir.
Why will I put it on?
You respect yourself, sir.
But I not be now here they eat before now. Eh?
We don't want.
So I don't turn to your worker with that.
No, just for a day. You have to be in the kitchen.
For how many hours?
Hey! Cinechroma Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy.